Everyone, I hope you're having a great week. This week I wanted to pop in to talk about how to choose a winning online course topic. So over the past few years, I'm sure that you've noticed that online courses are everywhere. Sites like Teachable, Thinkific, and Kajabi offer countless courses on every topic you can imagine. Every day, people who want to grow their skills will log into one of these sites to learn more. And if you're an expert in your field, then you should absolutely have an online course. The trick is, how do you come up with a winning online course topic? I've helped many clients over the years come up with really great online courses, and it all starts with an initial idea. Sometimes they'll come to me with a kernel of an idea that they've had kind of in the back of their minds. Other times we really have to brainstorm together to come up with something that's going to really convert for them. So in this week's blog, I'm going to be walking you through how to come up with that topic for your online course that's going to really excite your audience. So first, we really need to dig into the areas that you excel in. And how is that information going to translate to an online course? Next, we have to look at all of the content that you already have that we could possibly use and really pull together that winning topic for the online course. And then, of course, there's a lot of work that comes after that topic has been picked. So then we have to dig into all of those little pieces to really form a fully fleshed out online course. So that includes writing a ton of great copy and scripts and recording and, creating the course content itself, but it's a lot of fun. And these are areas that I love to help my clients with. So if you have any questions about it, let me know. Check out the blog. It has a lot of great information there. And if you do want to chat, go ahead and schedule a consult and we can start working on your first online course. Hope you're having a great week and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.